so I ain't gonna play with it.
Can you get some better shots up there? This is filming.
Oh, what's filming what? The river?
The bridge and the water.
Where'd you press?
It's already on.
Oh, okay.
All you have to do is point it. It's still on.
Okay, I'm looking at the screen now.
Yep, you're recording.
I'm gonna get a one on the say I'm gonna kick it out to the right.
In and out if you want to. On the front. Put near your finger pointing.
Oh, that's beautiful in front of us.
Yeah. Getting like Missouri.
Look at this in front of us. Wow. That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's good.
And Daddy was named Tappanzee.
Yeah. I know it's supposed to be some water. Well, maybe that's enough for us.
Terrytown. Sleepy Hollow.
Prepare to take I-287 east.
87 south. It's 87. I think, I don't know. I'm gonna follow that blue line right there. I think both of them gonna shake the same way. Salt on his finger.
Just hit town, buried water.
Yeah, you have to take your time.
Got that dirty water. We in the dirty water.
Thank you.
Lay them down. Again, Frank, the original Frank Key.
That sure look delicious.
I don't think we got that. We got something better than waterberry.
Good boy. Roddy Moss. What's up?
Turn left.
We're in Waterbury.
So we're gonna go up on that hill.
Follow the road for 0.9 miles.
It's the hill.
Waterbury Hospital. Uncle Junior.
Oh. Oh, it's tiny. You want to got the whole dome. Ronnie's up
This is it.
I used to love walking there.
Me too.
We gotta go up high.
Yeah, much higher.
Take a left.
We on Bunker Hill. This is Bunker Hill. I ain't call Ronnie. There it is right there, straight ahead.
I'm telling you, we got this.
Left.
Oh, we just gonna go straight up Bunker Hill.
Oh, yeah.
Ronnie's at the top of Bunker Hill. Let me bag up into this much.
That's Ronnie!
I was bagging up in here. I didn't know that freaking car was behind me like that.
Ronnie still looks the same.
He sure does.
Oh my gosh.
I know I was off.
Bubba was like, no, we're supposed to take a left somewhere. Ronnie laughing.
Right? Oh shit.
Glenn, what you doing, baby?
I'm so close to the pails.
I'm gonna step out in the trash can.
Come right there.
Look at Ronnie.
I gotta get over just a little bit.
Ronnie!
Let me bag it up some more.
You gotta throw it. You see how to throw it? Come throw it in front of it now.
Oh, wow. We're here, guys. We're here. Oh, my goodness. Yay. Ronnie Bird. What's up, Ronnie? Oh, my gosh. I've got to go to the powder room. Oh, my gosh. Ronnie! It's Ronnie! Hey, Ronnie! Oh, my gosh. Hi, Ronnie. That's my cousin, Ronnie.
Hello.
Hello. Oh my gosh.
Who we FaceTiming with?
We're on, we're on my channel.
Facebook? We on Facebook?
We're on my channel.
Oh,
on
you got things?
YouTube.
Oh, okay. You the Miss Pat Turner.
Yes, yes, yes. This is Ronnie. Oh my God.
Not much, man. Come on.
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah, man. I just cracked it up. My brother, I just lost it. Oh, too bad Bubba ain't got enough time here, man.
Where's you cracking?
This is nice, Ronnie.
Upside, man. I didn't cut too hard stuff, man, but you know, but come on in, come on in.
Okay, guys. So we're in my cousin's house. I made this wig, guys. This is my first straight wig, so I've got to pluck the front and make it look more wearable. But for right now, it's just fine, and I'm gonna show you my cousin's house. We're back in Waterbury. I'm looking up at the screen. We're back in Waterbury, guys. Okay. Oh, wow. That's this little girl when she was little. That's another one. There are two little girls. There they are. Oh, this is so nice. That's Billy, my big cousin. That's Nene. That's my auntie Nene. She passed away. That's Ronnie, my cousin Ronnie, and his little girl. They're so beautiful. There's my mother. She's in the middle. And those are my cousins. That's Claudia. She's passed away. The one in the white dress. My mother has passed away, and I think my other cousin is still here. My aunt, the one in the middle, she didn't play. Ronnie Moss, 007, that's my mom. Oh my God, that's my mom. I love you, Mom. That's my Uncle Junior, my dad's middle brother. Waterbury's own Times Square, baby. Bishop Street.
No, not Waterbury, but it's connected.
Wow.
Hey, Toon.
Hey, did we get here? Oh my God, we's here. We made it home.
You got them on the camera.
Yeah, I took pictures with them with the TV.
You gotta figure out how to get back at it.
Yeah, I just gotta.
There's some more art over here.
Yeah.
Go back to menu.
How long you had it?
What? I had it when Billy came up. Billy came up here in 2015.
Louis Armstrong.
I think you need to go to the gallery. You're on camera.
Right, no, that
gallery, right
there
there.
it is. There, I think
To the center, right
yeah,
here.
There,
To the center.
yeah, no, this is it. No.
They're the girls.
You gotta go to
No,
your gallery.
no, not. Oh no, hold on. Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right.
Now go to the center. Stop.
Yeah,
Go back.
I think you're
Right
right.
here and-
Other one we took.
Those are my cousins.
Go back. Oops, no.
Ruben.
Wait a minute.
Ronnie, Myrie, Biester.
See, that's one. And now.
We didn't call him Biester. We called him Fowler. We called him Fowler.
Yeah, let me hit another one. See, I don't know. Yeah, y'all.
Glenda! What's up, girl? Okay.
That's it. Now let's take some
Yay!
more. Let's take some more.
Do the
When it
casino
count-
flash.
We're taking pictures, guys.
Okay. That's two. One more for.
Did you say pizza?
My cousins are up here from 403 695 2412. Thank you. So you said tilt.
Oh no, the whole TV.
Yeah, it tilts.
Yeah, there you go. And then it'll just play out all the pictures.
Gee, that's clear.
You gotta be up because Glenda looks still.
Yeah. This is color that came back.
And then you hit that one, and it'll just play.
Look at Glenda.
Glenda came in and already.
Oh, she's a
Hang on
tinker.
that picture for a little while, then it should go to the next one. But then we can set the play mode as to how long it's gonna hold the picture.
Okay.
Come on, Naeem.
She tinkers with the stuff. She knows. Wow, look at that. Siéntate.
If y'all want to take a shower, y'all can.
Gracias.
I'm gonna eat first.
Okay.
I'm starving. I didn't want to.
We're going to have pizza. We told him, Glenda said don't eat a sandwich.
Right?
So you guys are going to see the popular pizza place. And what is it called, Glenda?
Dominique.
Dominique. Yay! Yeah, Dominique's. Yay!
Dominique's Pizzeria.
Dominique's Pizza. This is the one we took Daddy to?
Huh?
I'm about that.
No, you cook.
Guys, I am so happy to be back in Waterbury. I'm just so blessed and happy to be back with family, and my friends are here from high school. I'm so excited to see Juicy again, and I'm just ecstatic. I just feel super blessed right now. So it's amazing to be back in one's hometown after being away for, I would say, 10 years. My brother said it's about 10 years, like a decade, because we were here 10 years ago for my cousin's funeral. My cousin Dougie passed away, and that was the last time, and it just feels like forever. But we're here, and we made it back safely, and it's just so great. I'm so excited. I want to see everybody. I want to experience this coming back home gathering tomorrow. I'm just ecstatic.
Fell off the wagon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll see you guys at the pizza place. We're gonna have grinders too. Love y'all.